Hey everyone, Hannah here. So this is a new product that I am offering on my website. I did a test offer on Cratejoy, and after listing it about a week later, I started getting some sales. I'm calling it the Happy Mail Club. It's kind of a spin-off of our other Happy Mail Club we had going a few months ago. And so basically in this Happy Mail Club, you're just going to get some Happy Mail. And I've got this tied off with some sari silk, and I've got some handmade items in it. So we've got this beautiful coin envelope, and inside it's got some pieces of fabric with rub-on transfers on the fabric, and then some vellum pieces, vellum die cuts. And I apologize for my voice. I'm still trying to get it back. I was sick last week with whatever's going around, and so I was pretty congested, so I'm still trying to get my voice back. So anyways, that's what is in one of the coin envelopes. Then you have this beautiful file folder. This is from the collection that we had, excuse me, a few years ago. This was a very popular collection, and I had some of the papers from the collection when we were offering the 12 by 12 scrapbook sheets. These are some of the postcards, and then with some of the extra bits of paper, I made some coin envelopes. And I absolutely loved this paper collection. We've got a vintage unused stamp, and I put it in a little Ziploc bag just in case with any humidity. You just never know the different changes in climate. So I've got it in a little Ziploc bag so that it won't stick. We've got a couple of journaling cards and postcard with some fabric and lace trim sewed on it, so a little bit of hand stitching there. I really like to be able to do the stitching with my sewing machine. It's just really a lot of fun. And the little rhinestone on the coin envelope, it's only attached with a foam adhesive, so you could just pull it right off. So this is just a little fabric bundle. We've got a vintage doily, we've got some lace, some little rosettes. The lace at the top, that is actually antique crocheted lace, very old. So we've got a piece of it on there. This is tea-dyed paper, 8.5 by 11, with a receipt and the carbon copy, a vintage page, as well as, well, this is almost antique. It's like 80 or 90 years old, so it's almost, it's getting close to that 100-year mark. So anyway, we've got that in there. I didn't want to fold up those darker, older pages because they can break. They're a little bit more brittle. And then this one kind of shows you the other collection. So these are two that I'm sending out, and then we've got two other ones left if y'all wanted to go online and purchase that at danagirlsdesigns.com. It's just a way to get you some happy mail. I love receiving happy mail, and if you do too, well, this will be a great kit for you. And feel free to use our coupon, whichever one we have going on at the time. It's displayed as soon as you get on the website. Thank you so much for watching.